Hey guys, it's Logan. This is my mom. She's watching like stupid weather report fighting locust, and there it is. And there it is. And there it is. And there it is. So yeah, Mom puts on shorts so it can't move. Mom, are we leaving? Guys, ready for a hurricane? Mom, ask if it's gonna hit LA. Why? Logan Paul, Jake Paul, you guys might have a hurricane come to you. Yeah. Come on.
So you can put your shutters up.
Yeah.
You want to make the decision when the hurricane
Focus.
goes up.
Focus.
According to this round,
Yeah.
48 hours, hurricane watch could go as early as
Focus.
Wednesday night. So
Focus.
as soon as that goes up,
Focus.
you have Thursday
Focus.
and then most of Friday where you could still put up your shutters. So that would be
You're
the
gonna be
time
famous, man.
to put your shutters up
Focus.
Thursday into Friday. If you think you're going to be busy then or you're going to be getting out of Dodge,
Yeah.
evacuating,
So
I think those are good times. And the
it's gonna hit us.
continue to stay in the cone of possibilities and the models continue to bring up
It's gonna hit Los Angeles. No, I'm just kidding.
hurricane watch goes up and that could be as early as let's say Wednesday.
You guys wanna see your
Thursday
states?
very latest Friday
It won't focus, Mom. Los Angeles. Los Angeles is right here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there.
Thanks so much for joining Facebook Live this afternoon and early this evening.
There. And that will be
The interesting thing is
the vlog.
it was looking the worst for them.
I'll hit you up tomorrow
According to GSS,
in the morning. Well, not in the morning because I'll be at school, so hit you up tomorrow.
you're getting hurricane force winds. There's your GSS model.
Actually, yeah, in the morning. See ya. Peace.